Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SQL online. First, begin by grasping the fundamental concepts of SQL, such as how to retrieve, insert, update, and delete data. Next, select a reputable online platform that provides structured courses and interactive exercises. Finally, establish a local database environment on your computer. This allows for immediate, practical application of your newly acquired knowledge, which is crucial for effective learning. To solidify your understanding, actively engage with real-world data. Seek out projects that simulate actual business scenarios, allowing you to apply SQL in practical contexts. Participating in online forums and communities offers invaluable opportunities to ask questions and learn from experienced professionals. Additionally, consistently tackling SQL coding challenges will sharpen your problem-solving abilities and reinforce key concepts, making your learning more robust. Once you have a strong foundation, delve into more advanced SQL topics. Explore powerful features like window functions, which perform calculations across sets of table rows, and stored procedures, which are precompiled SQL statements. Gain an understanding of database normalization and indexing to optimize performance. Also, familiarize yourself with various SQL dialects, such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL Server, as they each have unique characteristics. Learning SQL is an ongoing journey. Continuously stay informed about new SQL features and evolving database technologies to remain competitive. Develop a strong portfolio of diverse SQL projects. This tangible evidence of your skills is invaluable for demonstrating your capabilities to potential employers. Finally, pursuing industry-recognized certifications can formally validate your expertise, significantly enhancing your career prospects in data-related fields.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.